Photography's transformative power reshapes minds, hearts, and viewpoints like nothing else. When Louis Daguerre unveiled his technique for capturing and developing real-world images in 1839, it seemed nothing short of magical. Yet, no one at that time could foresee how dramatically photography would revolutionize the ways people create art, narrate stories, and communicate across the globe. Today, the craft of photography is worlds apart from Daguerre's original invention. Digital cameras combined with cutting-edge generative AI editing tools offer unprecedented creative possibilities for hobbyists and professionals alike. However, one thing remains timeless: the thrill and passion sparked the very first time someone lifts a camera and directs its lens toward the world around them. To honor World Photography Day, Adobe invited 4 photographers, each with unique backgrounds and artistic approaches, to share what excites them about photography, what distinguishes their work, and why, even after nearly 200 years, photography continues to feel magical. Alongside these inspiring stories, Adobe has introduced a series of powerful new features in Adobe Photoshop, designed to speed up and enhance image editing precision. Why? Because while technical tasks like compositing, upscaling, and removing unwanted content are vital, they should never overshadow the core purpose: capturing and preserving those one-of-a-kind moments worth sharing with the world. Matt Solie. At just 20 years old, Matt Solie has already outpaced many photographers with decades more experience, amassing millions of followers on Instagram with his breathtaking travel photos and short films. Based in Vancouver, Solie's online tutorials and Lightroom presets have made him a trusted mentor for aspiring photographers eager to advance their editing skills. His creative toolkit spans Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom for post-processing, Premiere Pro for video work, and Firefly's generative AI to give form to the visuals floating in his imagination. But beyond his technical prowess, Solie's humility sets him apart. He openly acknowledges that his journey is ongoing and invites his audience to join him in discovering the world through his lens. Every photograph serves a purpose. Some simply delight the eye, others move the soul. But above all, I want my images to inspire people to step out of their comfort zones, travel, explore, and create their own photographic stories, he explains. Solie's work captures not just stunning landscapes, but also the unique emotions that define environments, drawing viewers into the heart of his adventures. Is Esther Havens Mann. For Esther Havens Mann, photography entered her life as a spark ignited by watching her father's slideshows in the 1970s. By age 8, she saved up to buy her first camera and eagerly began capturing her siblings and family pets. Now, as a widely published humanitarian photographer, Esther tells powerful tales of hope and resilience, connecting audiences deeply with global social causes. Her images do more than capture beauty. They elevate subjects as catalysts for community change. Havens recalls a profound encounter with Mulitani, a woman in Malawi who spearheaded the construction of a new clean water source for her remote village. When asked what her name meant, Mulitani replied, "What will you do with it?" She promised to care for the project like a newborn baby, a promise that embodied strength and dedication. This connection helped Esther unlock the heart of this story. To truly photograph someone, I must forge a close connection. The deeper my bond, the more their true character shines through, she says. Starting her career mastering Adobe Photoshop on an Apple iBook, Esther now edits on the go using Lightroom on her phone. Proving adaptability is key in a changing landscape. Her advice to new photographers is simple yet powerful. Dive right in and keep shooting until you find your own voice. Photography has the power to reshape our understanding of people and situations, she believes, shining light on stories of hope and transformation often overlooked. Joel Rodriguez. Joel Rodriguez, based in London, specializes in revealing raw vulnerability. whether capturing intimate portraits, documentary scenes, or fashion photography. His work seeks to bridge the viewer's emotions with the subject's hidden struggles, encouraging empathy and deeper human connection. Rodriguez views photography as a potent tool for shifting perspectives. As a highly visual species, humans react more instinctively to images than to other art forms, empowering photos to drive social and cultural change. Knowing someone felt stirred by my work means I've succeeded, he shares. Adobe software is central to his creative workflow, from conceptual mood boards and client presentations to the minutia of detailed retouching using Photoshop, color grading and bulk edits with Lightroom, and managing large files in Adobe Bridge. These tools are essential to achieving the moods and messages I want to convey, Rodriguez emphasizes, underlining how reliant he is on Adobe solutions to bring his creative vision to life. For Sadie Lynn, a multimedia student from North Dakota, photography means far more than simply clicking a shutter. Her signature style developed after photographing a local bowling alley destroyed by fire, finding a haunting beauty in its decay. In the abandoned building, a pile of chairs frozen in time reminded her of childhood visits, becoming a metaphor for lost moments and memories. This sense of melancholy fuels her passion for capturing forgotten places, inviting viewers to feel the quiet emptiness and stories that these spaces hold. Sadie also experiments with self-portraiture, layered with symbolism, such as in her piece, Am I Fixed Yet?, which reflects on a past wrist injury. By shooting on analog film and creatively manipulating the developing process, she created tear-like marks on the prints, visually expressing emotional pain. For delicate edits, correcting exposure or removing dust, Sadie leans on Photoshop, while Lightroom simplifies batch editing and quick fixes, especially useful when she's on the move. Being able to edit photos instantly on my phone, with pictures transferred via Bluetooth, means I can deliver content quickly and maintain momentum, she explains. We're unleashing creativity with generative AI and beyond. While each of these photographers brings a unique vision to their craft, they all share a passion for storytelling that illuminates the human experience. Adobe proudly supports this vibrant community with tools that not only expand creative potential, but also streamline the often time-consuming editing process. The newest AI-powered Photoshop features, like Harmonize, allowing seamless blending of separate image elements, and Generative Upscale, which enhances resolution up to 8 megapixels without losing quality, highlight Adobe's commitment to innovation. Additionally, a new file management system called Projects simplifies organization and collaboration. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual creator, tapping into these advancements means you can capture inspiration the moment it strikes, be it on desktop, web, or mobile. But here's where it gets controversial. As AI tools grow more powerful, are we risking the authenticity of traditional photography, or are we simply evolving the art form for the modern age? What's